Hi! Ako si Ivan at welcome sa bago nating tutorial. In this video, isi-share ko sa inyo kung paano ko tugtugin yung Your Universe by Rico Blanco. Ito, kaunting demo, panoorin mo. I don't think that you even realize the joy you make me feel when I'm inside your universe. Comment down below kung meron kayong suggestion, insights, or requests. Babasahin ko yan. And without further ado, let's go to the next segment. Ito yung mga chords na kakailanganin natin para sa kantang ito. Simulan natin sa G. E minor. C. A minor. Lastly, C minor. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, up, down, down. Yung verses tsaka yung chorus natin, parehas lang yung strumming pattern. 3, 2. Tell me something when the rain falls on my face. How do you quickly replace it with a golden summer smile? Tell me something when I feel inside and afraid. Or do you know just what to say to make everything alright? I don't think that you even realize the joy you make me feel when I'm inside your universe. You hold me like I'm the one most precious. I hate to break it to you, but it's just the other way around. You can take your stars all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one. Tell me something when I'm about to lose control. How do you patiently hold my hand, gently calm me down? Tell me something when you sing and when you laugh. Why do I always photograph my heart fly way above the clouds? I don't think that you even realize the joy you make me feel when I'm inside want, but I'll always be the lucky one. You can sing your songs all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one. I'll always be the lucky one. I'll always be the lucky one. Bago ang lahat, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod pang content. Mas madali kayong matututo by repetition and practice. Ulit-ulitin nyo lang ng ulit-ulitin hanggang sa ma-master nyo. At kung marami kayong time, please listen and stream my original music composition. Nakalagay dito yung link sa may baba, yung may Funko Pop na profile. Kita tayo sa next tutorial.